Hi, and today I'll be showing you the fixed asset register in Nomi. It's a central tool for tracking, managing, and reporting on an organization's fixed assets. So step 1, we go to the expenditure tab, fixed assets, and then this brings us to the fixed asset register. As you can see, there is a section for draft, registered, and disposed of assets. So to start, we have to enter a start date. This has to be any open accounting period in Nomi. Then it allows you to select asset type and new asset. So under asset types, it gives you the class of assets, and it also allows you to edit the depreciation rate and the depreciation method to be applied automatically to all the asset types under that classification. So if we go straight line and 20% for plant and machinery, then as you can see, it has edited that there. So if we go back to the fixed asset register and add a new asset under plant and machinery, the rate will automatically appear here, but you can change that to 10% and a reducing balance method. Now you can save this as a draft. You also have to enter the purchase date. Save it as a draft, and then it will appear here. To then move it over to registered, when you're ready, you can just click register, and it will appear under here. At that point, you are able to run depreciation. And then depreciation has been successfully run. You can then dispose of the asset. And then it will show you the summary of the cost, the current accumulated depreciation, the sale proceeds, and the loss on disposal. And then you can either review journal or update summary if you've changed anything. And then it will post a journal entry. And that is how you run the fixed asset register.